Hello everyone, and welcome to our new video. Today we're diving into the world of AI art generation with a comprehensive review of Leonardo AI, a platform that's taking digital art to new heights in 2023. If you're curious about the future of art in the AI era, you're in the right place. Let's start with a look at Leonardo AI's homepage. Designed with user experience in mind, it's both inviting and intuitive, perfect for artists of all skill levels. One of Leonardo's highlights is its diverse range of models. From the dreamlike Leonardo Creative to more structured designs, there's something for every artistic vision. But here's the game changer: personalization. Leonardo allows you to train the AI with your own datasets, carving out a unique space for your art style. The platform isn't just about creating, it's about sharing. The community feed and remix option are perfect for collaborative creativity and inspiration. Now let's talk quality. The images are impressive with an upscaling feature for extra detail, but keep in mind, upscaling can sometimes change the art style in unexpected ways. Ease of use? Check. Leonardo AI is accessible, whether you're a digital art novice or a seasoned pro. So, what's the verdict? On the plus side, Leonardo AI offers a rich variety of models, personalized training options, a user-friendly interface, and high-quality outputs. The downsides? Upscaling can be unpredictable, and like any AI tool, it takes time to master prompt crafting. In conclusion, Leonardo AI is a robust, versatile platform that's reshaping the landscape of digital art. It balances creativity and technology, making it a go-to tool for artists exploring the frontiers of AI-generated art. And that's a wrap on our Leonardo AI review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Share your thoughts and experiences with Leonardo AI in the comments below. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.